Have you ever wondered what anymore really means and how to use it correctly? This phrase is simple but very useful for daily conversations. Anymore means no longer or not anymore. It tells us when something has stopped or does not happen now. A common mistake is confusing anymore with anymore. Anymore is two words when talking about quantity or time, while anymore as one word is mainly in negative statements. We use anymore mostly in negative sentences and questions, like do you want any more? Or I don't want any more. It often comes after verbs like have, want, or need. I don't have any more money. Do you want any more coffee? She doesn't live here anymore. He can't come anymore because he is busy. Maria loved cookies, but she ate them all. When her mother asked if she wanted any more, she said no because there were none left. Now, she can't have any more cookies today. Think of the two words anymore as asking, is there any more left? When nothing is left, we say no more, that's anymore. Remember, anymore means no longer or not anymore. Try using it today and write a sentence in the comments.